Hi students. In the last video we discussed on ACCRINT function. Now, in this video we will discuss on ACCRINT function. The ACCRINT function is an Excel financial function. The function will calculate the accrued interest for a security that pays interest on a periodic basis. ACCRINT helps users calculate the accrued interest on a security, such as a bond, when that security is sold or is transferred to a new owner on a date other than the issue date or on a date that is an interest payment date. So students, let's start to calculate the accrued interest in Excel. The example is given on the left side of the Excel sheet. First of all, press is equal to in cell D2 and select ACCRINT function. After that, select B2. This is the security's issue date. Then select B3, which is the security's first interest rate. After that, select B4. This shows the settlement date of the security. Then select B5, which is the security's coupon rate. After selection B5, select B6. This the par value of the security. After selection par value, select frequency, which will show in the drop-down list. This is the number of coupons payments per year. The function will take for annual payments, frequency equals 1. For semi-annual, frequency equals 2. For quarterly, frequency equals 4. Select 4. After that, another drop-down list will be shown in formula, which is called basis. This is the kind of day count that is used for calculating the interest on a given security. If we omit the argument, the basis is set to 0. You will select 2. After that, press 1. The result will be $1,250. So students, I will hope you understand the function. The formula syntax is given below.